In today's video, I will walk you through how to use dry bristles in Krita. Open Krita and press B to switch to the brush tool. Open the brush presets docker on the right side, search for dry bristles, and click the brush to select it. Dry bristles is useful for creating rough, textured strokes with a dry brush effect. It works well when you need visible bristle texture, broken paint coverage, and natural-looking brush marks. Adjust the brush size using Shift plus Drag or the size box in the top toolbar. Use larger sizes for wider strokes and smaller sizes for details. Control the paint flow by adjusting opacity, lower it for softer, lighter strokes, and increase it for stronger paint coverage. If you use a drawing tablet, apply light pressure for thinner and lighter strokes and heavier pressure for thicker and darker strokes. Use this brush when adding textured details, rough surfaces, or dry paint effects. Drag the brush slowly across the canvas to create more visible bristle texture. Build up your strokes gradually with multiple passes instead of applying one heavy stroke. And that's how to use dry bristles in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.